This is a 1968 Remington 333. It's been refurbished and it is ready to type. This is a 1968 model Remington 333. It's a nice little typewriter. It's small, very lightweight, barely bigger than a laptop. Very portable if you wanted to carry it with you. The keys look pretty good. There's just a very little bit of slight discoloration. I don't know if it'll show up on the pictures or video, but the E is just, and maybe the W is just a little bit darker than the R. It's barely noticeable. Type's great. It's got a nice light typing action. It's been refurbished. Platen and feed rollers in pretty good shape. Finish does have some nicks and scrapes and marks on it. Looks pretty good. This is two-tone. It's gray and black. This black top has been repainted. There's some scratches on it here and there. I also have a reprinted user's manual. It has a real nice touch typing course in the manual. It's kind of handy if you're not familiar with these. This top pulls right off. It's a 1968 model.